Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. If you have already solved this question, like this is very difficult one for anyone, but you have succeeded and find the right answer, then comment in the comment box and I will give them heart. Okay. So here what we have given 6 into parenthesis 2 plus 1 to the whole square divided by 3. We will put here the m dash as we know. First, we will solve for parenthesis part. 6 into 2 plus 1, which give you 3. Now, we will go to exponential part. 6 into, so 3 square, what that means? 3 square, that means 3 into 3, which equal to 9. So simply, we will write 9. And according to PEMDAS, as we know, for the multiplication division have the same priority, and in that case, we will solve from left to right. So, what we will do 6 times 9, that is 454 divided by 3, and when we divide 54 from 3, 54 divided by 3, what we'll get? 18. So here 18 will be the right answer. And if you want more math exercise, then subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and must check out our best books in the description. Go and check out. Thanks for watching.